Hi everyone, my name is Harshal. In this video, we are going to talk about some comparison of a string methods which is equals to and the operator equals to. Before going to on this, first we will understand how this string is created in your string constant pool. So when you create any string using literals, so it create in your string constant pool. Suppose I have created a string s equals to Pune, then it create an object in your heap memory section which is known as string constant pool. In that particular string constant pool, your Pune object going to be created. Now I have created one more string s2 equals to same Pune. So this string constant pool will check if there is already existing your string is not, if there is or not. If there is already existing, it will not create a new object. It will just give a reference of this particular existing your string to your new string s2. In the likewise, when you create any string using new literal keyword, a new keyword, then it may create one or two objects. Suppose I have created a new string, s equals to new string Pune. So first it will create an object in your string constant pool, then it going to be create an object in your heap memory, and from this heap memory reference it will give you to your s. Now if I have created a new string by using literal first s equals to Pune, then I have created a new string using new keyword. In that particular case, it's going to first check in the SCP, which is your string constant pool, if this Pune string already existing or not. If it is existing, it will not create the new object, and it will create a new object in your heap memory, and it give the reference to that particular variable. So it may or may not create two objects. So this is how your string stores your. This is how your string got the store. Now we will come to our topic, which is how this variable, how this is are different. So your equals to give you the return, give the result in your boolean. It is true or false. Also, the equals to give your result in true or false. So what is the difference? The difference is your equals to operator check the references, and your equals to method check the content. Suppose there is a two string, so string s equals to Pune and string s equals to Pune. So in this both the cases, equals to method will give you answer true, and equals to also will give you the answer true as the reference and the content is same. Now I have created one string using literal s equals to Pune, and one literal using new keyword s equals to Pune. So in this case, your equals to method give you the result true, but your equals to method give you the false answer, as your new keywords create the object in your heap memory, and your literal create the your string in your SCP. So both the addresses are different. The one person is living in Pune and one is living in Mumbai. Both are the different, right? In the same way, it is the different addresses. That's why it give you the answer in the false. So this is all about your equals method and equal operator. Thank you.